$1.69 million is the asking price for this beautiful home in the city of Fullerton. This home is a custom-made home, and what you'll see is this beautiful entrance as you all go into the house. You are received by this original hardwood floors in the living room. Beautiful furniture she has set aside. This is out of the period. As you can see, the chandelier also very nice and bright in the formal dining room, where you'll have the access to be able to see the pool from the dining room. And there's also a little kitchen eating area as well, right next to the kitchen. The kitchen itself has beautiful cabinets that were done about 15 years ago. You cannot tell the age of them. Family room with a fireplace, stone wood, and an accent wall. The bathroom that everyone can use, and then we move on to the master. Master has nice, beautiful 1980s glass paneling, as well as your double sink and a sitting area just in case you want to sit for a while. And as we move out of the master bathroom, we take a look at the master bedroom. Here you have the two windows that allow you to see right into the pool area, as well as plenty of room for whatever else you want to use your bedroom for. The joint bathroom has a deep tub with a dual sink on it. This is shared by the 3 bedrooms upstairs, and you can tell that they have beautiful character. All the bedrooms upstairs are pretty unique with this vaulted ceiling. One of them has a fireplace inside, and as we work our way to the outside, the pool area, there's plenty of room. The house sits on over 0.6 of an acre. So we're only seeing about half the house, and you can see the pool with privacy all the way around it. So this house has beautiful privacy, nice and quiet. So if you know anyone, this is a great house to look at.